What's up, everybody? It is Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2008 Suzuki Boulevard C90T. This is a really nice bike, a really clean 2008, and it has the 1780cc motor. That's 108 for all you Harley guys if you can do the conversion. And we're gonna walk around this thing real quick. The back tire looks like it's got plenty of life left on it. This rear fender is looking pretty decent. Pretty factory, nothing much to report here. Turn signals, brake light, turn signal, license plate mount. That might be a little extra LED thing going on there. But yeah, it's all pretty clean. Nothing really to report. There's a little bit of some markings here on this luggage rack. I don't know if maybe just take that off. It looks like the chrome is gonna start peeling maybe. I'm not sure if you could fix that or not. But it's not rusty, it's not like crappy looking. If you're gonna have stuff on that luggage rack anyway, you're never gonna see it. But then you come around here to the side, these exhaust is looking super clean, nice and shiny. Again, not a lot to report. These bags are in really nice shape. You can see in there. So he's got some pegs or something. But they got like the frame in there so you don't get that bag drooping like it does sometimes on the older bikes. Like I said, this is a 2008 Suzuki Boulevard C90T. Don't miss the test drive that Sean does. We got some light markings here on this side panel. I'm not really sure what that is. Maybe that's like if mounting from the other side, maybe like a boot catching on there, or it could be the passenger boot with the passenger floorboard there. I got some light marks up in there, but mostly just a little bit, just a little road dirt. And the engine casing and in the engine bay, everything is looking pretty good, nice and shiny. Gets a little bit of reflection of me there. And got the rider floorboard with the rear brakes. Got the highway pegs. Big fan of the highway pegs out in the crash bars. I'm a little bit of a taller guy. I think if you are a taller guy, you might want to flip those over and put them on the opposite side to get a little bit more stretch. Here on the tank, everything is looking pretty good on the tank. There's some light, I don't want to call them chips because they're just in the clear coat, but there's some light markings right here, and not a lot. I mean, they don't peel off. It's not just dirt, but I don't know what would cause that. It's not like stone chips where you get like a real gnarly like chip into the paint. Some like light scuff chip almost on the clear coat. But yeah, so coming up here on the front side, everything looking good. These fork tubes coming all the way down, nice and clean. No signs of pitting or anything like that. Just some like bug juice, a little bit of road dirt. I got that front rotor looking pretty decent. It does have the dual rotors. I see one on the other side. This front fender, there's a little tiny chip right there, and there looks like some other little light ones around it, but these two are the main ones. Other than that, oh, there's one too. Right there at my finger, there's a little chip. But again, a 2008, it's a nice bike. It's not something that looks like it's gonna cause any major rust or anything. There's the rotor on the other side. This front tire looks like it's got plenty of life. I'm not gonna need a new one of those for a while. Coming out the fork tubes on this side, everything is looking good. Up here we got, he had pretty factory with the turn signal, the auxiliary lights, and a nice big headlight, and the windshield. Nice for getting those long rides in with a bigger motor, so it'll be good for getting some miles on. So now we're here on the other side. Again, we got highway pegs matching the other side, rider floorboard, got the shifter, heel shifter. I'm a big fan of the heel shifter. There's the horn. Everything here in the engine bay is looking to be in good shape. I don't see any rust or major marks or anything like that in there. Then down here on the transmission, everything's looking good. It is a shaft drive bike. So it's maintenance free. I'm a big fan of that. Got the passenger floorboard. Again, some light marks here on this side panel. and one light mark here in the side panel. Kind of see it there in the reflection at the ignition. Got this other side bag. Again, these bags are in really nice shape, especially for a 2008. They're very, very clean. Come up here on the top, we got the passenger backrest and the passenger seat. These things are looking pretty nice. Everything appears to be in really nice shape. And we got the rider seat, nice big wide comfy seat coming up over the tank. Got your gauges there. There's some light, like, again, they're not nasty scratches, but these light scuffs right here. I don't know if it's just from like the pants of the guy sitting on the bike here rubbing or what, but they're not nasty scratches or anything like that. Got the controls here on the left side, coming across the bars. Got this like little front bag. Controls on the right side. Turn this thing on. You guys can see that it has 26,932 miles. And guys, these things run for a while. I would not be surprised to see it do another 26. Make sure I put it in neutral before I fire it up. Just gotta hold the clutch too while I do this. Feels pretty quiet. I really like these Boulevards. They are really, really nice bikes. They're always at a good price. There's a good run there. Again, just it's good, a solid bike to put some miles on. It is getting into riding season. Let's make sure the signals work. Front signal there, and rear signal there. Rear signal there, and front signal there. All right guys, don't forget to check out the test drive. Again, this is a 2008 Suzuki Boulevard C90T. Thanks so much for watching.